So today's topic is
Yes,
about the clothes. We are going to speak about the clothes. Okay. And definitely the clothes is very important for all of us, right? But first we need to understand that how this clothes got evolved. Okay. So for that we will have to go back. Okay. So when people used to live in the forest, at that time people used to the cover their body, they started using that leaf, and then later they starting creating that clothes and that all things. And then slowly and gradually people started using the clothes to initially they cover their body. And then we can see in that the earlier, so many years ago, right, that kings and prince, okay, so they started using very different kind of clothes. Okay. So they're the prince clothes and that all things. Why royal clothes? Why? Because they want to distinguish themselves from the others.
okay.
Because if they are wearing the royal clothes, so they can easily understand people that okay, so he is a prince, he is a king. Because they also used to, if suppose if they also wear a very simple dress, like ordinary dress like others, clothes others, so no one will recognize them. So that's why they have a very royal different kind of clothes, and it was it is called royal clothes at that time. And even they used to give a different kind of clothes for their soldiers as well, according to the post. If someone is at a very highest post, so they used to give a little bit different kind of clothes for them. So since then we have been using or wearing this kind of very different clothes. So now if you see that politicians also, they also wear a very different kind of clothes, like they wear only that coat and white clothes they wear, right? And if you talk about the doctors, they have also a different apparel. And then the soldiers, army person, right? So police, everyone has a different kind of dresses, so they wear. So now if you see that, we have been the ordinary people, we have been using that jeans and t-shirts, this kind of clothes nowadays. Why? Because we have adopted the western culture. Because if you see the Indian culture, or that Indian, that traditional apparel or that outfit, you know uh, is a little bit different from them. Definitely totally different, not little bit. Because if you see earlier, means I'm talking about the that western, nowadays we have been wearing western dresses. So before that we used to follow our Indian culture, right? And we used to in India so many states are there, so every state has their own culture, and every state has their own traditional that outfit. So like if you talk about the Maharashtra, then Maharashtrian people earlier they used to wear that dhoti, the jacket, and then white colors cap, right? But nowadays if you see that, we have also adapted, as I told you, that we have adapted the western culture. So most of the people now, they have been wearing that jeans, t-shirt, jacket, coats, right, suit. So this kind of
Yeah.
dress we have been wearing. So if you see that when we were child, right, so at that time we didn't have that much clothes. So when we were used to go that school and colleges, at that time we had only one or twice, twice that two that clothes pair we had. But nowadays if you see that everyone has so many that clothes pair. So
Okay.
like that. And that earlier when we were child, at that time if someone is wearing, okay, someone was wearing at that time the torn clothes, so people used to look down upon them, right? That okay, he is a poor guy, that all things like that, poor people. Okay. But nowadays if you see that some people, they pay extra money for to buy that torn clothes, and that is also fashion now. So now we have reached it here at this stage. Okay. And the another thing is,
Yeah.
if you see, so early nowadays we have so many clothes, right? For every occasional and for every festival, we have so many different clothes. Like if someone is going to attend any marriage, so they have any different that marriage type of dress they have. If someone is going to attend any other function, like birthday and that all things, so they wear a very different kind of dress. And if someone is celebrating the any festivals like Diwali and that all things, so they also wear a very different type. So for every occasional, for every festivals, we have different clothes now. And if we talk about the that traditional our outfit, So earlier people, that women's, especially they used to wear the sari and salwar kurta like that. But now they have also adopted the Western culture, so that's why they have been also wearing the jeans, t-shirt, so this kind of clothes nowadays. So this is the clothes journey, I think, and in future we will have to see that which kind of dress we will wear. So this is all about from my side about these clothes.
Okay. So, then are you done?
Yes. So now
Are you
you
done?
have to put
Okay.
your views on this topic in for all of us, in front all of us.
Okay, definitely. Yeah, so if I talk about my opinion on this topic, so first of all, before going further, I would like to talk about the basic definition of cloth. What is the basic use and basic definition of cloth? So actually means cloth was made for wearing, means concealing the body of human being. That was the intention for means making the cloth. But nowadays I think means the reason of wearing the cloth is totally different in our society. What I think about if I talk about the means cloth. Okay, so cloth is nowadays cloth becomes a identity of the people. Okay, for example, if you want to means if you want to recognize anyone, if you want to judge anyone in first appearance, so I think you are going to judge that people, that boy or girl, on the basis of her clothes. Means if we talk about the first means appearance, so definitely anybody and any person are judged by their by their outfits. Okay, if any person is wearing a good outfit, then he can make a good impression on anyone else, on other person. So I think nowadays what is happening in the society means we are clothing is being identity of the people. We are judging people on their outfits. Okay, so the if I talk about the basic reason of clothes is totally changed. Nowadays we don't means we don't wear clothes for means we don't wear clothes for hiding our body. We just wear the clothes for our identity. What is our identity? Okay, so yeah, but and if I talk about the means changes or in what do I say? If I talk about the changes in the clothes, so yeah, means as you explained earlier that if I talk about few decades ago, so at that time people used to wear the clothes of for covering the whole body, but nowadays the tradition is changed. Okay, so the yeah, so the trend changes according to the means according to the culture. And if I talk about the outfit in different culture and region, so definitely it is different. If I talk about the means let's say about Hindu culture, in Hindu culture as well as in Muslim culture. Okay, uh, both have means both are different caste and different culture. So according to that, they have defined their outfit as well. Means Muslim person can't wear the Hindu's outfit, and any Hindu religion can't wear the Muslims outfit. So, so yeah, basic thing is that if you talk about in the field of fashion, politics, reason, every means everywhere it becomes the identity, okay, of people. Every field, in every field. If I talk about fashions as well, okay, so there is two type of person. One is wearing a very means a very unique outfit, okay, very unique means very means fashionable and very means new outfit which is
Stylish.
going on in the trend. Yeah, very stylish outfit. And other person is wearing a very old and awkward kind of outfit. So, man, then our first impression would be like that person is from the old culture. He does not, he or she might not believe in the, in new culture and new styles. So these are the perceptions people make on the basis of the cloth and outfit. So which means anybody is going to wear and anybody is wearing. Okay.
Yes.
So yes, definitely this is all about myself. Yeah, but there is a means one more point I would like to add. I would like to
Please.
add there that if you are going, yeah, if you are going means anywhere in the market, means in any event, festival means everywhere means anywhere according to the means according to the situation. So what I think that we have to means segregate ourselves, okay, according to the situation. Cloth means we have to choose the cloth and outfit. Otherwise, we can be means people will make fun of us,
Yeah.
especially yeah. So wearing a cloth and choosing a cloth according to the situation, it is a very important for the people, not only male but women as well.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
inevitable for all of us now.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and as you
So
mentioned that earlier in that troglodyte era, we wear the clothes, right? That that to cover our body, right? So so now I think in such a sophisticated era, again we are going to in towards that, I think, because now we are also wearing a very short dresses, right? So I think after some
also,
years or few years later, we will also start again wearing such that kind of troglodyte era dresses, like the when people used to wear in that forest, some that kind of dress.
first, first of all, means I would like to say one more point that
Yes, yes,
recently popped up in my mind
yes,
that
yes,
nowadays we wear clothes according to our comfortability. We
yeah,
don't think about other people wearing the clothes. If we are comfortable in any field, whether it is short or long, okay, we are if we feel that we are comfortable with that outfit, then we can wear that outfit. So in this time, what is happening? If you are choosing a clothes, so we are choosing a clothes according to our comfortability, according to our convenient, not other people. What they will think and what they will say like that.
yes.